Alright, y'all. I made it out of the airplane and out of the airport. I made it to New Jersey. I'm with my mama and my stepdaddy. All DC. Milk dog. But yeah, they just came and picked me up from the airport. We're about to go. Where we going? Home? We're about to go home. I need to find my little sister because she being dramatic. She got an attitude, so yeah. Oh, my mom said she at work, so BRB. Well, how she just called me then? Y'all, me and my sister got a hotel room. Ridiculous, because it's literally down the street from my mama's house. But it's my sister's graduation and she is extra, so yeah. We're here because you're extra. Here she is. Here Good morning, Matt. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I don't even know if I told y'all that I came to New Jersey. I think I did, but if I didn't, as usual, I'm in New Jersey, y'all. My sister's graduating today from school, so I'm in Jersey. I'm at a hotel, y'all. She was being hella dramatic. Maybe I'll have her tell y'all the story about how we ended up at a hotel down the street from where our mama lives. Yeah, my little sister's mad dramatic. But, you know, I'm letting her do what she do. It's her graduation day. Yeah, I'm about to get dressed right now. I'm not in like anybody's rush or anything like that. It's like, what time is it? It's 8:47. Yeah, it's 8:47, y'all. So I'm about to do my makeup. Oh. So yeah, y'all, this is the foundation I use, the Giorgio Armani. I need to wipe it off. I'm just about to get cute for the day because I don't got time to be coming back and forth to this hotel. I'm finna go hang with my peoples. Y'all, my little sister had made me a bracelet. She made me another one. So this is the original bracelet that she made me. This one down here at the bottom. Y'all, look at my face. But y'all, when I got here, she had made me a new one. She did such a good job. This one has my name on it. So cute. Shout out to you, Beans. Y'all want y'all bracelet done, hit her up. She's so stinking cute. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to do my makeup because I'm bored. It's early. I always wake up with the ass crack of dawn. For nothing. I've been up for a little while. So I decided to get up. Why not? Get the day started. The older I get, the more I realize how important it is or how beneficial it is to get up and out before 9 o'clock. I feel like you have the whole day. Well, obviously you do, but when you be coming outside 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you miss the whole day. And I'm not trying to be that girl anymore. I want to be outside early, getting my errands done like the regular girls. I do not know. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. My makeup is done. I'm about to walk to my mom's house, y'all. From the hotel. Didn't I tell y'all my sister was being so dramatic? She booked the hotel room down the street from my mom's house. So yeah, I need to go over there and get dressed. So, well, I could get dressed here, but I feel more comfortable getting dressed at my mom's. So that's where I'm going. Let's walk, bitches. Y'all, one thing about it, I could never take this type of stroll in Houston. I would die. I would be dead by the time I got to the corner. Jersey summers are the best summers. I don't know, it's something about our crisp ass sun hitting your skin. You just feel so good. I don't know. I miss Jersey summers. I'm low-key like happy that I had to walk to my mom's because, oh my God, I felt good. I should start taking walks in the morning. Maybe too hot in Houston. Hey guys.
guys, welcome back to Ethnicity. Rami's. Remember I told y'all we was gonna be for my sister's graduation. Here she is looking like a baddie.
Not
You basic.
that girl with the red dress.
Y'all look at the graduate.
Oh, who?
It's giving baddie with the green.
One, two, three. Sports in the top 10. I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the view, it's packing. I got a beauty Simon.
Say hey y'all to my graduating sister. Hey cutie patootie. No, you look amazing. Yeah. Tell me she looks amazing.
Beat by Sincere.
Get on the camera. Yeah. Get into that. Y'all see that beat? I did that. Yeah. Y'all see the DNA? My mama did that. Yeah.
Chini and Vincenzo's.
Hey. She knows, but she's doing it on beat, TT. That means she got rhythm. You taking that to your auntie Naria? You gonna be a dancer, huh? Go. Yeah, say cheese. No, you cannot stand up in that chair, looker. Right? Isn't she perfect? Yeah. Say yes, I am. Y'all, it's time for me to board the plane and go uptown. This time. Just hold on, I'm going home.